video, I will explain you how to create consumer preference survey. First, you need to click add-on, Coffee form, and then load form template. You can search consumer preference, and then after you found it, click load select the template. Just check the dashboard, responses, question, and the settings too. And then refresh the page, and click Coffee form and get link. Just click continue here, and choose your account. And then after that, click advance, and go to Coffee form. And then just click allow here. You will get the link like this, just copy it and paste it into your search engine. And now the form is ready to use. But you can also change the questions. For example, I want to insert new row here, and I fill it with text, and just copy the text and change the questions. For example, I change it into name, and go back to your form, and it will show like this in the form. Or maybe you can change into date, and don't forget to change the text too, and then it will show like this, so the audience can pick the date easily from the calendar. You can also delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear instantly. Go to settings to change the background color of your form. For example, I change it into soft gray like this. And I will give an example for give a style for the title. I use mark behavior here, just following the step. And for the scroll amount, you can set it up to you, and here I use 25 for example, and don't forget to close the code like /mark. Go back to your form, and now the title is moving. Thank you.